Hello friends, in my YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. Today I am going to discuss a very important case on section 80 IB subsection 10. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sahara India SAHKARI AWAS SAMITI Ltd. This case has been reported in 98 ITR Tribunal at page number 634 and the matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT. The date of the judgment is 19th July 2021. In this particular case, the assessing authority denied the exemption claimed by the assessee under section 80 IB subsection 10 on three grounds. The first ground was that the assessee has constructed commercial area into the housing project more than 5% of the total built-up area or 2000 square feet, whichever is higher. The second point for rejection of 80 IB subsection 10 exemption was that the assessee has not received the completion certificate by 31st March 2008. The third reason for denying the exemption was that the assessee has not completed or constructed the project by himself, but it has delegated the whole project to some other contractor who has completed the project and who has mainly done the main construction activity. When this exemption was denied, the assessee went to the CIT appeal and CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee. That is why the department was before the Honorable ITAT. The ITAT said that as far as the two grounds for denying the exemption, that is first one, the commercial area built up in the housing project was more than 2000 square feet or 5% of the total area, and the second reason, which was that the completion certificate was not received up to 31st March 2008. These both were applicable from 1st April 2005, but the case of the assessee was not for these years and for the earlier years. The ITAT said that these two conditions are applicable for the housing projects which are approved after 1st April 2005. This will not be applicable to those projects which are approved before 1st April 2005, even if they are completed after 1st April 2005. Now the third issue, which was the burning issue in this case, was that the department was saying that the assessee has not done the development or the construction by its own. It has delegated all its work to the other contractor. On this point, the ITAT findings were that the main risk involved in the whole project was of the assessee. It is immaterial whether the assessee do the work by its own man workforce or delegates its all the construction work to one contractor or the number of the contractors, because it is a very general practice in the development projects or construction works that the work is delegated to other contractors. So if the whole work is given to one contractor, then it doesn't mean that the assessee will be out of the definition of the developer. So the contention of the department that the work has been done through some other contractor does not disqualify the assessee to claim exemption under section 80 IB subsection 10. The other point was that the department was saying that the other contractor has collected the payments from the buyers to whom the flats have been sold, and then all the application forms have been filled in by them. So on this issue also the ITAT said that it is only a very common practice that this type of work is delegated to some other authority, collection of the payment, because it may happen that the contractor is well versed with the buyers of that area and he may be facilitating the assessee in this respect. So whatever the reasons which have been given by the assessing authority were not acceptable to the ITAT, and ITAT gave the relief to the assessee and allowed exemption under section 80 IB subsection 10, and all the grounds of the department for the appeal were rejected. Friends, I think that this case is very important in dealing with all these cases where there are some issues relating to the exemption under section 80IB subsection 10. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sahara India SAHKARI AWAS SAMITI Limited. Thank you friends.